to stand. Oh well, right? Yeah. Get my computer out. That was kind of perfect timing. What took you about? Did you really take that long just to dump out on that card? That was awesome, though. Perfect timing. 15 minutes. Give me a lighter.
A lighter?
Yeah, I can't find any lighters today. They're all in my car.
Alright. I saw them. Yeah, I saw them in your car.
What? Why are you looking so hard?
You sent me out there to get something.
Oh, yeah. So where were the lighters at?
Wait a second.
Yeah, when we first got here, I
Where
said,
were they out? Where were they at? Towards the middle of the back seat. On the seat.
We need to hit. Hey, I'm